Welcome to my channel Little Birds. Hi kids, in this video we'll learn alphabets A, B, C, D from A to Z. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for car. D. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fan. G for grapes. H for horse. I for igloo. J for juice. Well done. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for necklace. O for orange. Good job. P for pineapple. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for train. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Good job, kids. Well done. Little birds. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Little birds. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Little birds. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.